If you're running an e-commerce brand in the US, this is not just another marketing video. This is a reality check. I am Maninder, founder of Maninder Way. So if your business depends on any of these e-commerce platforms, then what I am about to share might save you thousands. In 2026, business is not just about running ads or redesigning your model frequently. It's about trust. It's about retention. Without these, your growth becomes fragile. Let's be real. E-commerce is still growing, but growth has become harder and more competitive than usual. These days, customers are more aware, and due to copycat brands being everywhere and rare loyalty, customers don't just buy anymore. They investigate through reviews, comments, and policies before they even consider purchasing. If your brand doesn't feel credible on the very first scroll, you are done, even if your product is great. The first mistake I often hear from clients is that we are getting traffic, yet conversions are very low. What I believe, this is not a traffic problem, but a trust problem. Customers land on your web store and immediately think, is this legit? What if this doesn't work? And if these questions aren't answered instantly, they leave. So how do we fix this? When someone lands on your online store, they shouldn't have to wonder or guess who you are and what you sell that makes you different. So what you need is real proof, real reviews, user-generated content, and photos that don't look like stock images. Always remember, a trustworthy brand will always outsell a fancy-looking one, and if your store feels real and confident, you have definitely won. Now let's talk about something that is adversely impacting your revenue: cart abandonment. Customers first add to cart and then disappear due to so many distractions and too many checkout steps. Premium brands show their full cost upfront, allow guest checkouts, and support every payment method. They keep checkout very clean and fast, which increases revenue more than increasing traffic. Depending on ads is a very dangerous approach if you're building. One bad month can hurt your cash flow badly. Ads are not a business model, so don't spend blindly. Think about it. If you pause ads tomorrow, does your system still generate revenue? You will get your answer. This helps build stable brands. Most brands ignore a real way to make profit, which is retention. Acquisition in the US is very expensive, but retention is very profitable. If customers buy once, then disappear, that's exhausting. And you're constantly chasing new traffic, which is expensive. So what we do is, we need to invest, like the smart brands do. Invest in digital marketing, loyalty programs, building communities, which will lead to repetitive customers who buy more often and trust you faster. Here's a tough truth. Most stores just have products, not the brand. If your store looks and feels like a replica of your competitors, customers will compare prices, which kills profit. To build a strong brand, you gotta tell your story, show the founder, and build emotional connection. In 2026, brands who connect to the audience always wins. One of the reasons behind the dropped sales is being repetitive, following an ad template, or repeating the content with a subtle tweak. This weak strategy is one of the reasons many brands fail. Instead, you need to track behavior, identify drop-off points. You need to optimize on weekly basis, because what I believe, these subtle improvements will make you a winning brand. That's exactly why we exist. We help e-commerce brands fix broken funnels, improve their conversion rates, reduce wasted ad spend, and build scalable systems. So in one shot, we don't sell hype, we build foundations. Because sustainable growth always beats fast growth. If you're interested in building an e-commerce brand and want sustainable growth, visit our website. Explore how we work and book a conversation. We crack the matrix to build strong systems. I'll see you in the next one.